Welcome to the Smart Energy series by Georgia Power. Want to save money on your energy bill while making your home more efficient? A DIY home energy audit is a simple way to find areas where your home loses energy. And best of all, you can do it yourself with free resources from the Department of Energy. Let's walk through step by step how to assess your home's energy use and find easy ways to save. The Department of Energy offers a free guide to help you conduct a DIY home energy audit. This guide walks you through checking for air leaks, inspecting installation, evaluating heating and cooling systems, and more. By following the recommendations, you can make simple changes that reduce your energy use and help lower your energy bills. Here are some easy DIY energy saving tips you can start today. Locate and seal air leaks. You can do this by checking for drafts around windows, doors, baseboards, and electrical outlets. Then seal the gaps using caulk, weather stripping, or spray foam. This alone can reduce energy use by 10 to 20%. You can also check your attic, walls, and basement to ensure you have proper insulation. Adding Energy Star certified insulation can reduce heat loss and increase efficiency. Replace your air filters in your heating and cooling systems regularly and schedule annual maintenance. If your HVAC system is 10 years old and older, consider upgrading to a high-efficiency model. Switch to LED light bulbs, which use less energy than traditional bulbs, especially since lighting accounts for about 10% of your monthly electric bill. Unplug electronics when not in use or use smart power strips to avoid vampire energy waste. Finally, set your thermostat to 68 degrees in the winter and 78 degrees in the summer. Either doing it manually or installing a programmable thermostat can save you up to $100 per year. Plus, Georgia Power Marketplace offers rebates of 75% of cost, up to $200. Learn how you can save by visiting georgiapower.com/marketplace. A DIY home energy audit is a great first step, but for a more detailed evaluation, a professional home energy assessment is highly recommended. In a professional home energy assessment, a trained expert uses diagnostic equipment to evaluate your home's energy efficiency and provides customized recommendations by detecting air leaks, insulation gaps, and inefficiencies in heating and cooling systems. A home energy assessment is especially beneficial if you live in a home that is 10 years old and older, if you experience hot and cold spots in different rooms, if you've recently purchased your home, if you plan to renovate, or if you're looking to replace your water heating or HVAC systems. So, why should you get a professional home energy assessment? A few reasons. You get a detailed plan to reduce energy costs and improve your comfort. An expert can identify hidden energy waste like leaks in ductwork and air sealing opportunities in places like the attic or a crawl space that you couldn't find yourself. And it can identify drafts, temperature fluctuations, and air quality issues, as well as test gas appliances for safety. Georgia Power offers rebates covering 50% of the cost of energy assessments. That's up to $150. Completing the assessment may also qualify you for rebates of up to $1,000 for energy-efficient home upgrades. To learn more on how to obtain an assessment, visit georgiapower.com/HEIP. Whether you choose a DIY audit or a professional energy assessment, taking steps to improve your home's efficiency can save you money and make your home more comfortable. If you choose to go the DIY route, visit the Department of Energy website and search Do-It-Yourself Home Energy Assessments. You can also visit Georgia Power's website to learn more about rebates and professional assessments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.